Sneakerheads, it's giveaway time. You guys still have a chance to get yourself a pair of Palomino Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is smash that like button right now. Let's get this video up to 200 likes. Make sure you guys leave a comment right now. Let me know your size. Smash that subscribe button. Listen, if you're watching this video, if you watch my videos, and for some reason you're not subscribed, make sure you guys join the More family right now. Hit that subscribe button, and then take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram. Send me a DM. DannyMoore2369. Send me proof. Send me that picture or that screenshot with proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the Palomino Air Jordan 1 giveaway. The giveaway ends at the end of September. The giveaway winner will be in a YouTube video the beginning of October. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Good luck on a free pair of Palomino Air Jordan 1s. And if you guys don't wind up winning this giveaway, do not worry. I do monthly sneaker giveaways here on the channel. So make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that red button down below right now. Smash that subscribe button. As you guys can see, I'm wearing Outright Brand's new drop. This collection is for the J Balvin Air Jordan 3. This t-shirt, along with some other clothing, will drop when the J Balvin Jordan 3's release, Saturday, September 23rd, which happens to also be my birthday. As soon as those Jordan 3 J Balvins go live on the sneakers app, boom, Outright Brand clothing will also drop for their release. But don't worry, if you don't cop the 3s, you guys can wear this design, any of their designs, with a bunch of your favorite sneakers. Their clothing fits true to size. It's very soft, very comfortable, very high quality, and a great price, and a better price, even more discount when you guys use my code DannyMoore for 10% off. So make sure you guys check out Outright Brand. Go check out right now what they have on the site. Click the link down below. They have a bunch of clothing. Each and every week, we get new sneakers. Outright Brand makes new clothing that's going to sell out very quickly. It's only up for a few days, and then it's gone. So you guys only have a few days to cop. Go check out Outright Brand, the best clothing there is to match your hype sneakers. I love their designs. I wear them all the time. You guys see me wearing Outright Brand in almost every video. Make sure you guys check out Outright Brand for your hype clothing that nobody else is going to have. It's very limited. Make sure you guys check them out. Link down below in the description. Thank you, Outright Brand, for sponsoring today's video. I was wrong. Big time wrong on this one. Oh, man, I don't know what I was thinking. I really don't. I don't know what in the world I was thinking. I guess the more I saw this sneaker, the more my mind completely changed. And this right here is one of the best sneaker releases of the entire year. I'm gonna say it. At first, I thought this shoe sucked. I straight up did not like the sneaker. Here they are, man. I did not like these. I wasn't a fan. But now having them, I'm a fan. I definitely was wrong. I got these Air Jordans from Retro app, RTRO. Make sure you guys download the app. I'll have a link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check them out for $10 trade fees. That's it. Everything is authenticated by hand. There's a very fast turnaround time. I did this trade, and the whole process was about a week and a half. Very, very fast. And they also have streetwear on the app as well. I'm going to have to check that out. But I checked out the Retro app, RTRO, and I must say, it's a great app. Only $10 to get your trades done. I'll have a link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check them out. They are definitely worth checking out. But right here, we have a must-have. I was so wrong about this shoe. It's crazy. Once again, make sure you guys check out the Retro app. You can actually scan that QR code and download the app. Right here, we have the Air Jordan 4 SB Pine Green. And I was dead wrong about this sneaker. Here's what I'm talking about. Here's why. I was so wrong about these sneakers, and I have to apologize for it. I'm sorry. I was so wrong. Listen, at first, when I first got these in hand, months ago, when they released, I just didn't like them. I hated all over this shoe. I wasn't a fan. And now, after seeing them so many times, having them in hand so many times, seeing a handful of pairs, seeing more pictures, seeing them on feet, more videos on them, listen, I was dead wrong. I think this is a good shoe. I'm going to say it. I think it's a good shoe. I think they killed it on the colorway. They did a great job. The one thing I still am not crazy about is the gum little outsole here, the hits on the outsole. The white is cool, but the outsole with the gum hits, I'm not crazy about. Other than that, I think it's a great shoe. Another complaint, I guess I am still not crazy about it being rubber here on the back pull tab, but I think durability, it might be good and on feet. I heard these are so comfortable, they don't even feel like a normal Jordan 4 as far as comfort. So that's a bonus from what I've been hearing. Listen, I've been dead wrong. The one thing I was not wrong about when it comes to the SB4s was the price. Prices have went up. I had a feeling that was going to happen. I told you guys that, hey, don't be shocked if these do go up in price. And I had a feeling it was going to happen. A lot of people are calling this sneaker of the year. For me personally, Imagine 3s are still sneaker of the year, but you guys can go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what is your sneaker of the year so far here in 2023. I'm sorry, guys. I have to apologize. I was dead wrong about these. This is a great shoe. Prices, man, have only went up, especially in those bigger sizes. 500 plus. Smaller sizes are still around 390, 400. I do think those smaller sizes will also follow suit and creep up more in price. And bigger sizes, who knows? Could they touch $600-700? Potential's there. The hype is there. Demand is there. Supply was certainly not there. This is a Nike SB after all. Nike SBs are crazy hype, crazy in demand. And when you combine it with a Jordan 4, this is a great shoe. I'm going to keep these. It's a must-have. I was dead wrong. This is a great shoe. I don't know what I was thinking when I first made that video, when I first saw them. I was dead wrong, and I have to apologize. I'm here to say, handful of months later, Nike SB Jordan 4s are fire. Straight fire. I was dead wrong. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Check out the Retro app. I'll have the link down below in the description. Go download it and do your trades on shoes and streetwear for only $10 a trade. Make sure you guys check them out. Everything is authenticated as well, so you know you're only going to receive 100% authentic product. Make sure you guys check out Retro app, link down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. I was dead wrong about the SB Jordan 4s. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.